Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a gas-powered generator that is scaled for minifigures for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's start with a 2x2 modified plate with two bearings. Let's set down a 1x2 plate on the right hand side and a pair of 1x2 modified plates with holder on the left hand side. This is going to be the base of our generator. Set down a 1x2 brick with two studs on the top right, and a 1x1 brick with one stud on the left hand side. Now let's take another 1x1 brick with one stud and a round flat tile with a gauge print. I'm going to place the gauge on the stud. Now sometimes these things are a bit of a challenge to straighten out, so you may have to take it off and put it back on. There we go, it looks pretty good. I'll set this in the bottom left, and in this area a 1x2 brick with two studs and a 1x2 round plate. Set that right there. These are going to be our hookups. Now on the back side, we're going to face these off with a 1x3 flat tile. For the top, let's set down a 1x2 modified plate with holder and a pair of 1x2 plates. Now let's finish off the top, starting in the top left with a 1x2 flat tile, and right here a 1x3 flat tile. I'm going to set down a 1x1 round plate or stud right there. This is going to be like to put our fuel in. Now let's take one of these 1x4x2 fences. I'm going to set a set of studs right on the bottom. And then what I want to do is I want to set these in these plates with holders. Snaps right in place. And for wheels, just take some small rims. We'll set these right on the bearing plate for a set of wheels.